today we're harvesting wine. It was raining a few days, so today also is very gray, and now it's sunny, and we try to do it quickly, otherwise the rain will come again. So yeah, and the wine they really ripe and need to be harvested soon, so we try to make it fast today, harvest quickly. It's Bruno. Ciao Bruno.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Hi.
It's really nice. I really like this. Cut and eat at the same time. It's really nice. Oh, I'm so dirty. Look at me. Oh, gross. It's really fun. So when you harvest wine, you can eat it. Now I have to have again because we need to get it done soon, otherwise the rain come and then we cannot finish. The grapes are picked when they reach to the right level of ripeness and sugar that makes good wine. The region and the weather also decide a lot. They're very nice. Now also the sun is going down, so the light is very good. They look so pretty. Summer was lovely, but now autumn is coming and I really love it, enjoying wine harvesting and seeing how to make wine. Really exciting. It's such a great fun, which we shouldn't miss when we're in Italy. The grapes are so pretty. I really love them. I'm eating them, keep eating them non-stop. And it's really a lot this year. I don't know how many tanks we got, but it could be more than 1,000 liters of wine this year. Feeling the wind is going against my face, I feel so fresh and feel good energies running in me and really peaceful. I really like it. Now we are collecting all the tanks of grapes and bringing home ready to make wine. Astonishing that how many liters of wine this year we're going to get. Yeah, this monster could be more than 20 kilos. Ready to go home. It was a rainy day. I think it's 5 o'clock now. Dinner time is coming. mash it up, mash all the wine up and put in the tank. And yeah, for after a few months will become wine. We are mashing all the wine up and send them directly to the tanks. We have 2 tanks, one red and one white. After this, we let them sit for a few weeks and we're going to do the next step. This is the red wine after a few weeks being inside the tank. So we get them out and clean up the tank. This looks scary, like Halloween. We use this massive zip to get all of the juice out.
Me lo ricordo.
Siamo vicini.
A quasi mezzo chilo.
E se può anche se non è proprio mezzo, no, ma con due gabbie ci dovrebbe andare tutta. Metti l'apertura. Ecco. Metti la mano, dici che. Quest'anno anche di un po' perché.
Trai bindolo.
We are trying to guess the rest of the juice, and today it tastes a bit alcoholic. Specks of color, huh? Oh my god, it's so red. And now we're going to open the cake. Halloween cake. Unbelievable. This is fresh after we took all the juice away. So this is the rest. Now we bring this away. It looks like a cake. Very nice. Oh, it's so solid. Italia, come un po' tao.
Aspetta,
So hard. Now the tank is clean and we return the juice back and close it well and leave it. Wait for a few months. So the next few months we will have red wine to taste.